Okay, so let's go over this assignment. If you haven't completed it yet or haven't attempted it yet, please go back and try it. I can't stress enough how important it is to at least give it a shot where you don't have anyone telling you what to do. It helps you create your own connections in your mind, which will help you recall it faster and better and more accurately in the future. So if you didn't do it, just go back, try it. If you get stuck, that's fine. Come on back here, but at least give it a shot. Anyway, let's jump into this sort of assignment right now. What we had to create was a 5-page, 3-column A4 document with 2-inch margins. That was the specifications of it. So what we need to do is go up here to Create New. And then what we're going to find first is our A4 document. So we're going to go to the presets. We want to do this first because it's going to overwrite the rest of the stuff in here. And we don't want to do everything and then click it and then have it be undone. So we're going to click that and it's going to set our width and our height for us. And then now we need to make it a 3-page document. So we're going to click on this and we're going to go ahead and make it 3 pages. Then we're going to make it 3 columns by making this go up here. And then the margins are supposed to be 2 inches. So we can go in here, we can type 2, and then we can type in inches. And if we click away, you'll see that it converts all of them to inches like so. And now we are ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and click the create button. And we have created our document right here. It's a little weird looking. Those 2-inch margins are really, really strong. You can see that this is the 2-inch mark right here, but it is actually really far into the document. But it's just sort of supposed to be a fun little exercise to create something that is just really random where you have to think just a little bit.